Hey guys, Kayla here. Today I'm going to show you two different ways to Tunisian crochet across ribbing. This is useful for any of my Tunisian crochet patterns, which I will link down below, or any design that has Tunisian crochet and ribbing. So very useful in a lot of ways. What you're going to need is you're going to need to finish the ribbing that you're currently on and then come back to this video, or just work up a little tiny swatch. You're also going to need some Tunisian crochet hooks. If you click this link right here, it'll send you to Amazon and show you the hooks that I personally use and highly recommend. Other than that, let's get this shindig started. There's two different ways I'm going to show you. Option one is going to be Tunisian crocheting immediately into the ribbing, and that'll look like this. And option two is going to have a single crochet setup row followed by Tunisian crochet. Now, both ways will get the job done. It's all about your preference. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Alrighty, so you have finished your ribbing for whatever project you're working on. You are now going to chain one and turn your ribbing onto its side, drawing up a long loop and switching out your regular crochet hook for a Tunisian crochet hook. Tighten that loop back up and prepare to work across. Now, in Tunisian crochet, the loop on your hook does count as the first stitch, so we will not be working into the first row of ribbing, but rather into the second one. So go ahead and find that. Place your hook under at least 2 strands of yarn and push it all the way to the back. You're then going to yarn over and pull up a loop, making sure to keep that tension nice and loose. All right, go ahead and find the next row. Mine's right there. Place your hook under at least 2 strands of yarn again, pushing it all the way to the back, yarning over, and pulling up another loop. And that's it. That's how easy this is. So continue doing that all the way across, and that's it for option one. Now, if this seems a little hard, or if your ribbing is a little too tight for your larger Tunisian crochet hook, don't worry. Let's move on to option two. Okay, so option two, you have already chained one and turned your ribbing onto its side. And in regular crochet, again, as you guys probably know, the loop on your hook does not count as a stitch. So we will be working into that first row of ribbing. Go ahead and place your hook under at least 2 strands of yarn, just like you were doing in the last option. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. So single crochet in the first row, and let's go ahead and place a single crochet in the next row. So again, going under 2 strands of yarn, pushing it all the way back, yarning over and pulling up a loop, yarning over, pulling through both loops on your hook. You are then going to continue placing 1 single crochet in each row across, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, coming up on my last row, placing a single crochet, I will then chain 1 and turn my work. Drawing up a long loop to switch out for my Tunisian crochet hook, tightening that back up, and again, just a reminder that loop on your hook does count as a stitch in Tunisian crochet, so we will be skipping the first row and working into the second one. And I say row, I apologize, stitch. So these are now single crochet stitches. So do not work into the first single crochet, but work into the second one. Placing your hook under the top 2 strands of yarn, just like you would if you were placing a single crochet, yarning over and pulling up a loop. Do that again for the next stitch. Push it all the way to the back, yarn over, and pull up a loop. And that's it. That is all there is to option number 2. So you now know how to Tunisian crochet across ribbing. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up down there. Comment any questions you have, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys have a great day and happy making.